So take note, the cross on the chair is where you're not supposed to sit, it's not the target for your bum. Hi, I'm Peck Thian Guan. I'm the Senior Director of the Office of Safety, Health and Environment, or OSHE for short. One fun fact about myself, I'm a chemist by training, and people ask me, how did I ever get involved in safety and health and crisis management? And I tell them, by accident. How does OSHE ensure the campus is a safe space for the community? Well, our approach is to get everyone to embrace safety and health as their core value. That means they believe in it, it's internalized, and they look out for one another. It involves a mindset change. It's not about me or myself, it's about my neighbor as well. How much does our student fare in terms of COVID-19 compliance rate so far? Are you happy with the results? Well, in general, there's people are in compliance, they wear their masks, they observe the safe distancing of 1 meter. Now, I still get whistleblower reports telling me that there are people who gather in groups and they sit in places where they're not supposed to sit. So take note, the cross on the chair is where you're not supposed to sit, it's not the target for your bum. How is the school going to keep students accountable for their action? Well, again, it depends on the community to keep everyone safe. We depend on the instructors, the lecturers, to make sure that the students show their green pass when they enter the class for lessons. So again, it takes everybody to be accountable, to be responsible one for another. How can OSHE work with students and student leaders before deciding on COVID-19 measures for the community? Well, OSHE works with students and student leaders through OSA and the Provost Office. We have regular consultation with the student groups. They come to us if they need clarification on certain matters, and that's where we interact with them, we hear them, they provide feedback to us. What is the most exciting, demanding, challenging aspect of your job? It's really the uncertain nature of a crisis. There's a saying which says, no plan survives the first shot. And it's like that with COVID-19. When we plan to address a pandemic, I've never imagined a plan to be, the pandemic to be so intense, to last so long. So when COVID started, we look at the plan and say, well, maybe we can just throw the plan out a window. We need to adapt the plan. So the greatest challenge is being adaptable and flexible. What are some things that keep you going when things are tough? Well, what keeps me going is knowing that what you do makes a difference to people's life. If I'm taking care of the 50,000 staff and students in the NUS community, then who's taking care of me? Well, I would say the community does take care of me. In the midst of the crisis, we have people writing to us, calling us and ordering Grab food for us and sending us heartwarming messages. That really touched my heart. It keeps us going. The other thing I do to take care of myself is to go out, have plenty of sunshine, look at the greenery, exercise, and sweat it out. What are your best wishes for students during this COVID-19 period? Well, COVID-19, well, this is a tough year for us, but I can see light at the end of the tunnel. It's not all doom and gloom. We can get through this together if we, stay safe, stay healthy, and we will get through. We'll get by.